the town historian, they looked that name up, you know?
That's a big name in Middleburg.
Yeah. Falk's Falls.
But I don't see clearly what goes with that.
Massive lake,
Yeah, Lake Hall.
but it was also under.
Cherry Valley.
It's north-south.
Oh.
Cherry Valley's side just knocked right over. When the Schoharie it took out the Blenheim covered bridge. Well, he thought he's going to get rich selling them or something, and they're still sitting there in his yard. The whole thing is the nose, but there is a no.
An architectural thing that went on in the
It's
Capitol.
not a new one, because there's going to be. We're going to walk for another quarter mile with amazing views like this.
No, I don't think I've ever had a desire for that.
It's hang glider point.
Right.
And they have an easement, and that's and they maintain that easement. It's so long.
Right.
Turned out to be really nice. And of course all the soil and rallying the Indians and burning. Schoharie is worth a stop on the way home if it's open. It's their museum.
Naturally, it's time to harvest. Bug out. Something to eat for the critters.
Got denied and dug in. Lost an Eagle Scout project. So it's all downhill from here. It's like this big around.
Yeah, it's got a cell tower.
Dark band that you can see just above Middleburg here. Our long path looping around the backside of this mountain, and then the long path's going to veer right.
Yes.
Who's
Please stay.